Hey guys, this is Heart Shades, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Oakley Splitshots. The frame code for this one is an OO9416 with a 0464 color code. The color for this frame would be a matte translucent blue with a Prizm Sapphire Polarized lens. So yeah, let's get into this box. Of course, you're going to get the standard Oakley box with it. You open up the box to find your case with the glasses in it. And also it will come with an instruction booklet on your different types of sunlight and etc. Inside of this plastic bag you'll get your Oakley case. It comes with this neat little hanger, and inside of the box you will find your prized possession. Once you open it up, it does come pretty well packaged inside the Oakley sock thing. On the end here, it shows, it has your cable tie for, it's actually steel braided line. Should we undo that for you guys? It's pretty not long. I'd give it about 2 feet. And yeah, here, let me get some angles for you guys. The nose pads are rubber, so they are fairly comfortable to wear. And let me get you guys some measurements. These lenses are 64 wide by 42 tall at the tallest point. The separation on the nose is 17 millimeters, and it is 132 millimeters long for the temple length. If you guys have any more questions about these lenses, please drop a comment on the comment box below. If you like my content, hit the subscribe button. More subscribers always helps. Thank you guys.